Hey, what's up, AMP coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. AMP coin holders, you know what, guys? AMP coin in annuities is a unique crypto which is completely in the loss. You can see here if we look the changes of AMP coin. So from these changes, that's also clear for everybody that last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week. These all changes occurs in an AMP coin is completely negative. So if these all changes is negative, that's mean that you are completely in the loss. I'm sorry for that, but there's a reality of AMP coin. Now, in this video, I'm talking about that when there is a possibilities that the price will pump. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry if you're in the loss. So there is only one solution that you hold AMP coin. 0.053833 USD dollar. That is the live in a right now price of AMP coin. Other side, if we talk about the price chart, so you can see here, I think from August. From a 22 August, the AMP coin price falls down. Now still in the latest situation, now they are also in the farming mode. You can see here in the latest situation. Guys, my prediction is that they continue this falls for the 1 week, and after 1 week again there's a possibilities that the price will pump and you get profit, guys. So after 1 week, possibilities that the price pump. Negative 11.2% negative changes occur, and 0.071801 USD dollar is the highest price of a AMP coin, guys. So please, if you sell, for instance, if you decide to sell, so that's mean that you are in the loss. Other side, if you decide to hold, possibilities, guys, that in the future the price will pump and you get profit.